You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English from the French word horrible. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English that many get wrong, I'll link to a few videos for you at the end of this one. English pronunciation, horrible. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Horrible. Horrible. Now, the Americans may say a bit more as horrible, a bit more open ha sound, horrible, but it's similar. Horrible, stress on the first syllable, the ha syllable. How to pronounce horrible. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.